The 5 things you should do before looking to get approved to purchase a home. Buying a home can be confusing for home buyers, but it does not have to be. Hi, my name is John Werner with Mortgage and Credit Pro. And in this video, I will share 5 things you can do before buying a home to simplify the process. One of the first things you should do when considering purchasing a home is to know your credit score. Tip number 1, get your credit report and scores for free. Several factors come into play in getting a home loan. Your FICO or credit score is the most important. You can check your credit report and get your scores online for free. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires that 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to provide you with a free copy of your credit report at your request once every 12 months. Tip number 2, once you have your credit report, you will want to review it and check for errors. If you find inaccuracy, you can dispute them with the 3 major credit bureaus. They have 30 days to investigate your dispute. They will correct the item in question if they find it inaccurate. The higher the credit score, the more likely you will be approved for a home loan. Tip number 3, improve your credit score before applying. A few point difference in your credit score can be the difference in whether you qualify for a home loan. There are a few things you can do to increase your scores. First, pay down the balances of your credit cards. Your credit utilization is your credit limit divided by the card balance. This ratio accounts for 30% of your overall credit score. Only payment history has a more significant impact. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000 and your balance is $6,000, your utilization ratio is 60%, which is too high, and it can affect your credit score. The lower your credit card balances are, the higher your credit rating will be. Some credit experts advise keeping your balances below 20% of your credit card limit. The next thing you can do is to make all your payments on time. 35% of your credit score is based on your payment history, so paying all your bills on time is essential. If you're forgetful, you can set up auto pay with your creditors so you never miss a payment. If you want to buy a home, do not apply or open any new credit. This means holding off on buying the car or opening up any new credit cards until after you close on your mortgage. Tip number 4, check your savings. You will need a certain amount of cash in the bank to buy a home. If you're living from paycheck to paycheck, it is probably not the ideal time to apply for a loan. There are more upfront costs associated with getting a mortgage loan, besides the down payment. There are closing costs and fees that you will need to pay to the appraiser, the lender, and the title company, so you must ensure you have enough funds when you are ready to close. You can talk to your lender about alternative ways to come up with the closing costs and down payment. For example, gift funds from family, seller credits, and down payment assistance. Tip number 5, get pre-approved. A pre-approval means you have completed a mortgage application and a mortgage lender has checked your credit, verified income, and assets. An experienced realtor will not make an offer on a property unless a lender has approved the buyer, and the buyer can provide a pre-approval letter, so plan on meeting with your mortgage lender like me before you go shopping for a home. Buying a home is exciting. Doing these simple steps before you start looking for a home will help you in the home buying process. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're looking to purchase or refinance a home or have questions about the mortgage process. My contact information is below. If you're looking for an experienced realtor in Oregon, Washington, or Arizona, let me know what area you're looking in and I will get you their information. Can you do me a big favor and subscribe and share and like our channel? And if you have any subjects you would like me to cover in the future videos, please leave them in the comments below.